Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I'm here with another question of angle and its measurements. We have the first question. In the radian, measures of two angles of a triangles are given below. Find the radian measures and degree measures of the third angle. So we have given two angles in the question, and we have to find the third angle in radian as well as in degree measures. So first we have given this two values, that is 5 pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18, and another sum is 3 pi by 5 and 4 pi by 15. Now we'll be focusing on our first question, that is 5 pi by 9 and 5 pi by 18. So first we have to convert this radian into degrees. So we have to write that 5 pi by 9 into first angle is equal to 5 pi by 9 into 180 by pi. So it will get converted into degree, that is equal to 100 degrees. And second angle, it is a symbol of angle, is equal to 5 pi by 18 into 180 by pi degrees. It will be equal to 50 degrees. So we have two angles in degrees and we have to find the third angle. So we'll use the formula as for the sum of interior angles of a triangle, that is equal to 180 degrees. So let us consider third angle, that is equal to x degrees, as we have take all the angles in degrees, so we are taking this third angle in degrees only. So we have 100 degrees plus 50 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degree, sum of interior angles of a triangle. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. See, addition of this 100 plus 50, that is 150, and we have shifted this 150 on another side, so we have got negative sign. So x is equal to 30 degrees. So now x in degrees is 30 degrees. So for radian, x will be equal to x radian is equal to 30 degrees, 30 into pi by 180 radian, that is equal to pi by 6 radian. Now our another sum is 3 pi by 5 3 pi by 5 radian, comma 4 pi by 15. So see here, these are given in radian. Similarly we have to convert it into degrees for measurement. So we'll assume that first angle is equal to 3 pi by 5 radian, that is equal to 3 pi by 5 into 180 by pi degrees, that will be equal to 108 degrees. Similarly second angle is equal to 4 pi by 15, that is equal to 4 pi by 15 into 180 divided by pi degrees, that is equal to 48 degrees. Now we have the two angles in degrees. Let us assume that third angle is equal to x degrees, as we have assumed all in degrees only. So sum of interior angles, we by applying sum of interior angles of a triangle, that is equal to 180 again. So x degrees plus 108 degrees plus 48 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 156 degrees, that is equal to 24 degrees. So degrees is equal to 24 degrees. Now x in radian, that will be equal to 24 into pi by 180 radian. So it will be equal to 2 pi by 15 radian respectively. So finally, this for first question third angle is 30 degrees, and in radian it is pi by 6 radian. And for second question, answer is 24 degrees, and in radian it is 2 pi by 15 radian respectively. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.